Hi everyone, in this video you'll learn how to use WebAIM's Wave extension to find contrast issues. To learn more about contrast accessibility requirements, check out our article linked below. All the tools we use are also linked below. First, you'll need to install the Wave extension. Now I'll navigate to the page I want to test, which is the US Botanic Gardens website. Next, I'll select the Wave extension icon. The Details tab is where I can find low contrast errors. The Wave tool can only test text or icons that have CSS-styled colors. It won't test image files. This page has several detectable low contrast issues. Next, I'll select the low contrast error icon to go to where the issue is on the page. Now let's go to the Contrast tab in Wave. If I scroll down, there are the same low contrast error icons I can select. Again, selecting these will take me to the error on the page. It will also populate the foreground and background color fields with the color's hex codes. Then I get the contrast ratio of those two colors and whether or not it passes for normal text and large text. Here's a tip. Graphical objects require the same contrast ratio of 3:1 as large text. So if you're testing a user interface component like a button and it passes large text, then it meets the 3:1 ratio requirement. From here, I can use the sliders to adjust the color to something that would pass. Or I could select the color swatch to open my browser's color picking tool. Then I can pick any colors on the web page, even colors in images, and start testing them. The last thing you can do in the Contrast tab is desaturate the page. This shows the page in grayscale, which can help you decide if you're using only color to convey information. It's easier to review if you go back to the Details tab and deselect all the results, so they don't show on the website anymore. You're ready to use the Wave extension to find low contrast errors and get the contrast ratio for any colors on your website.